Okay, so now we are looking at example 1710b as in boy, 1710b as in boy. It has asked us to solve for S, but S for this particular compound. So that means we're going to do products minus reactants. So delta S equals 2C2H5OH liquid plus 2 CO2 gas minus 1 C6H12O6 aqueous. Okay, so we've got products minus reactants. We already know this value from the previous problem. We know it to be 461.1 joules per mole Kelvin. Now we have to look at the rest of these values, keeping in mind that 461.1 joules per mole Kelvin is the first answer we got. We need it in joules because our sheet is in joules. So we will set then 2 times x, that's our unknown. Oh, I apologize, that is not our unknown. Let's try that again. How about 2 times 213.6. We don't need to worry about units right now, as long as we know we're functioning within the same unit, plus 2 times 160.7 minus x, because that's what our unknown is. So when we do all that math, we get, okay, so when I do that math inside my parentheses, I get 748.6 minus x, continuing to solve for x. That means we're going to subtract 748.6 from both sides. So I get negative 287.5 joules per mole Kelvin equal negative x. Now I have to still solve for x, not negative x, so divide both sides by negative 1. So then x equals 287.5 joules per mole Kelvin. So important piece here is that we have to bring over our answer from part A. We need to make sure we bring over the answer in joules, not kilojoules, because all of the values that we plug in here and here are from our yellow sheet, and they are in joules. So we want to make sure we bring over our value of joules. That's the tricky part of this one. Bring over your value of joules, plug in products minus reactants, solve for your unknown carefully with algebra, and there we go, folks.